How to blur a part of a video in CapCut. Let's get into it. Start by importing your footage, then press Option or Alt on your keyboard. Click and drag up. This will create a duplicate. Next, select your bottom layer, then come up to Effects. Search for Blur and drag this blur onto your bottom layer. Now, I'm just going to disable the top layer so we can see what we're working with. The reason why we chose this specific blur is because we can increase or decrease the level of the blur to suit what you need. I'm going to go for about 75%. This can be altered later if you need to. Then re-enable this top layer so that we can see what we're working with. Make sure that you have this top layer selected. Then come over to Video, come into Mask, and then choose Add Mask. If you're a pro member, you can use the pen tool to really fine-tune your mask. If you're using the free version, there's a bunch of different options that you can use too. In my example, I'm going to use the pen tool and draw around this monitor here by clicking Add Points to your mask, and if you click on this last point, it will complete your mask. Now, as we can see that we have blurred out our entire video but not the screen. This could be fixed very easily by coming into Mask Settings and choose this reverse button. This is going to invert what we just did there. Now, if I click out of this, we can see that there's quite a harsh line around this mask. This can be fixed by making sure you have that clip selected. Then come into Feather and increase his feather to suit your liking for your video. Be careful not to go too far, as you will feather out the entire mask. Now, if you have a video that doesn't have much motion, you're pretty much done here. However, if I play this back, we can see my video is moving, but the mask is not moving with the video. This can be easily fixed by clicking on that video that we have the mask on. Come down to Track Mask, come into Duration, select Forwards, and then choose Track. CapCut is going to analyze your video and make sure that the mask tracks the motion. Now, if we play this back, we can see that that mask is now moving with the video, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.